Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is J. Allison Dora, and welcome back to our Pure Love topic, which is I'm giving to you this afternoon, and about Pure Love lecture. So this Pure Love lecture with a theme, cultivating an environment for us to know, to eradicate the social issues of our society today. So allow me to share to you um, the lecture that I'm going to give this afternoon. So welcome to W Carb Pure Love Lecture with a theme cultivating purity for an HIV/AIDS free society. So this is Jay, your lecturer for this afternoon. Humans striving. Everyone is struggling to attain happiness and avoid misfortune. So we have two kinds of thing in our world today, happiness and misfortune. Alin bang pipiliin mo? Gusto mo masaya o gusto mo mamalasin? People feel joy when their desires are fulfilled. So humans aspire for greater happiness. So ito yung gusto nating makuha sa buhay. So these are computers, trains, fast internet connections, technologies, robots, everything. Gusto nating mapabilis yung buhay natin. So we have two kinds of desire. So ano ba yung desire na nasa atin? Yun yung gusto nating makuha. Yun yung gusto nating makamit or gusto nating kunin o gusto nating makuha sa ating buhay. So the word desire, however, is often not understood in its original sense because in the present circumstances, our desires tend to pursue evil. Rather than good, our conscience is well aware that the desires pursuing evil lead to misfortune. So, pag evil desire daw yung pipili mo, it will lead to misfortune. Mamalasin ka. Kasi di ba ang taong gusto mamalasin? Di ba gusto nating maging masaya sa buhay, gusto nating maranya yung buhay natin. So, we should choose good desire. Goodness and evil desire. Human contradiction. They have two kinds of mind. Original mind, which tends to happiness, and evil mind, which is to the wickedness or misfortune. Contradiction, there's always contradiction. For example, there's a family here. They're making argumentation with the family between husband and wife, and their child, and their child is listening. So yeah. So the result of that is a personal contradiction. So nag-iinom-inom tayo, gumagamit tayo ng droga, tapos kahirapan din yung susunod. So more than 60,000 people die every day because of starvation. And then corruption, inside job. And then conflicts and wars. So, in World War II, 37.6 million deaths, according to Atlas of Modern World History, 1989. This one, 6 million Jews killed by Adolf Hitler in World War II. Man's first inhumanity to man. So, imagine, pinatay niya yan, 6 million Jews killed. So, pinatay lahat yan ni Adolf Hitler. So, talaga. So, he tends to pursue his evil desire instead of goodness. So, itong mga taong po, sasanay pa sa natin yung lineage nila. Okay? So, slave of technology. Lahat tayo, addicts of Facebook, YouTube, Flickr, Twitter, Instagram, Mobile Legend, lahat tayo. Then, minsan, because of that, we tend to desire or pursue our evil desire. So, ano nangyayari? Anong dahilan? Ito ba? Pokemon Go. So, nangyayari? Because of our desire, ito minsan nasasagasaan, minsan nadedisgrasya, minsan nagkakaroon ng sakit. Okay? There's always a contradiction between mind and between mind, our original mind and evil mind. There is always contradiction. Why? Because, and then after that, there is a state of this self-destruction. Environmental pollution. Destruction of environment. As you can see, the greenhouse gases, mainly methane, carbon dioxide, produce, but less oxygen. And water pollution, the chemical waste, all the factories, maraming factory po nagtatapon ng mga basura sa dagat. Kaya naman, we're so thankful, no? Na this time, talaga, nilinis talaga ng President Duterte, yung mga yung mga ilog natin, yung mga dagat, pati yung Manila Bay, Boracay, lahat ng mga sikat na dinadayo talaga ng turista. Kasi minsan, inaabuso natin yung kalikasan. And air pollution. garbage disposal problem, ozone layer depletion, global warming, and climate change. And we are living in a time where conflicts have been raised to a highly dangerous level because of the nuclear weapons of mass destruction. Ito, initially only the US and then the United States, Soviet, Russia. Next are China, France, and etc. Now India and Pakistan. Nuclear arms race. So delikado yan. So a nuclear war will be end at our planet and all humanity. So can destroy the earth to 10 times over. And then, ito pang lala sa atin ngayon. HIV and teenage pregnancy. Year 2016 report, meron tayong 1,210,835 cases of living with HIV AIDS in the America. So, imagine guys, 1.2 million katao nagkakaroon ng HIV. Bakit? They pursue their evil desire instead of good desire. And in Asia, number 1 yung Philippines. Di ba? Gusto nating maging number 1 tayo sa larangan ng laro, sa larangan ng lahat-lahat. Pero, natutuwa ba tayo kung ang Pilipinas ay number 1 sa problema, number 1 sa mga bansa sa ASEAN na may mataas na bilang ng teenage pregnancy? Siyempre hindi. Dahil concern natin to bilang isang mamayan sa bansang Pilipinas. Tama? And then the Philippine teenage pregnancy, the last one is 13, yung Region 7, ito tayo. Region 7. So, bakit nangyayari ito? So, this one, CAR, Region 7, Region 2, iba talaga. So, no? And then HIV/AIDS Registry of the Philippines. Imagine, pang ilan yung Region 7? Pang-apat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tumataas lalo every day. There are cases of 30, 40 cases every day of HIV/AIDS. At isa pa ngayon, bago, itong COVID-19, nakakapasok lamang. No? This is new and latest for all of us. This is case, very dangerous to all of us. And then, ito yung dahilan kung bakit maraming nagda-drop out rate due to teenage pregnancy. Ito yung minsan kadahilanan kung bakit humihinto yung kabataan natin. Tama? And then when it comes to spiritual conflict, suicide, maraming nagpapatiwakal sa buhay. Bakit? Is they're depressed, stressed of their self. They don't know their self. They didn't find their purpose in life. So that's why sometimes they commit suicide. No? Sometimes yung mga taong problemado, sometimes yung mga taong introvert, sometimes yung mga taong napakaraming problema sa buhay. That's why they tend to pursue evil, which leads to suicide. The question, why our world became like this? What is the root cause of these problems? Who is responsible to solve these problems? How do we solve this in order to give a better future to our children? Can our government solve these problems? Too many other concerns, incompetence, and corruptions are widespread this time. And yeah, ito yung nangyayari sa atin. Can United Nations solve these problems? What is the origin of these problems? Do we know the original problems? Where it came from? Saan ba ito galing? Bakit nangyayari ito sa buhay natin? Bakit? Ano bang dahilan nito? Let's see kung ano ba. Let's go back in history. So don't be an spectator of history because yung history, laking tulong yan sa atin. Okay? God's blueprint and the 3 great blessings. Who is our creator? God. Who created the world? God. And then who is our God? God. Yeah, what is the name of God? God. Yeah. The purpose of creation of the universe, or God, creations, and object partners of goodness. Then, to attain joy for heavenly friends. According to Genesis chapter 1, verse 28, and God blessed them, and God said to them, be fruitful, and multiply, and have dominion over every living thing that moves upon the earth. This is the purpose and the God's good object partner. Be fruitful, multiply, and have dominion. Ito sana yung gustong mangyari sa ating Diyos. Pero bakit nawala ito? Nawala yun sa plano ng blueprint ng ating Panginoon. Okay? Perfected individual, true family, and ideal world. Okay? This one, Adam and Eve, individual, family, society, nation, world, and suffering on earth. Ito yung nangyari ngayon. Okay? The biblical story of the fall. Fruit symbol equals a symbol. Meron yung meaning. God of love does not give a test punishable by death. More desirable than life itself affected future generations. What is the meaning of this fruit? Anong ibig sabihin nitong prutas na to? What does it symbolize in the book of in the Bible? Okay. After the fall, after Adam and Eve have seen what part of their bodies they've covered, Genesis chapter 3 verse 7, they sewed fig leaves together and made themselves loin coverings or their sexual area. What crime did our first ancestors commit? Adam and Eve's recreation ashamed of their sexual organ. Crime of Adam and Eve, illicit sexual relationship. So, ito pala yung dahilan kung bakit nangyayari sa atin to, because of our ancestors. They commit what? Illicit sexual relationship na hindi pa sila kasal. So therefore, we can conclude that the symbol of fruit is love of Eve or sexual love. The trees reproduced by their fruit and people conceive children through their sexual love. According to the book of Exodus chapter 20 verse 14 of the chapter 14 of the 10 Commandments, do not commit adultery. In the book of Quran, do not come near adultery, for it is a shameful and an evil, opening the road to other evils. According to Hinduism, when righteous disorder prevails, the woman seen and impure, this disorder carries down to hell the family and destroys the righteous of birth. The Baha'i faith condemns the illegitimate and improper expression of sex impulses, such as free love, all of which it considers positively harmful to man and to the society. Fallen and problematic family, factory of criminals, rapists, killers in the society, source of misery and misfortune, multiplies fallen and problematic families through sexual organs, destroys the family community and hinders the development of our country, breeding ground for disbelief in God. According to God, resemble human sexuality symbol means that to resemble God. God created man in his own image, that in the image of God, he created them, male and female, he created them. That's it. What is pure love? Pure love means every man and woman has a moral, sexual relationship with his or her spouse only in a pure state, mental and physically, to complete their original personalities. When we say pure love, to have a pure, honest, and moral mental attitude for accomplishing the purpose of humankind in all realms of the value in the social and cultural environment. According to Father Moon, absolute sex, there is an absolute requirement that all people must fulfill. No matter how they are, this is a requirement of maintaining their purity, which is the model of absolute sex. The first stage is maintaining absolute purity prior to getting married. The second stage is being absolutely faithful in the love of husband and wife. Absolute sex, before marriage, what? No to sex, no sex. Outside marriage, after marriage, no sex. No sex, what? No sex outside marriage, okay? Okay, which part is very important and where it is located? Ano bang pinaka-importante sa lahat ng organ ng bahagi ng ating katawan? Okay? Ano? Siguro, tama ka, pero alamin natin. So the most important organ in our body, or in our physical body is the what? The reproductive organ. Why reproductive organ? Who is the owner of genital organ or the sexual organ? God. Ang nagmamay-ari niyan, God. Hindi ka pa kinasal. So, love comes from God. Love belongs to God. So, pag maasawa ka na, future spouse, yung nagmamay-ari niyan. Who carry the organ most cannot function without the partner. Okay? Not owner of power as the owner of God. Okay, so yun. Marriage, and then, why one man should marry only one woman? So God created man in his own image. In the image of God, he created them male and female. Hindi po male to male and female to female. Animal sex versus human sex. Animals have procreation and pleasure. How about human beings? To be in the image of God. According to Mother Moon, We marry in order to resemble God. God exists as being of dual characteristics. Thus, the husband and wife together reflect God's original nature. God made marriage from the beginning of creation. God made a male and female. For this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. What therefore God has joined together, let not man put asunder. Hindu, Buddhist, Christian, and Muslim. So, meron silang mga kasal. Okay? Meron silang. Napaka-importante talaga, napaka-banal. So, dapat, bago tayo gumawa ng sexual desire natin, magpakasal muna tayo. Okay? Pure love and true love muna tayo. Marriage makes human sexuality good, more satisfying, and secure. Flee from sexual immorality, all other sins. A man commits outside his body, but he who sins sexually sins against his own body. Healthy sexual culture, use of condom. Is this a solution? Not a solution. Because according to the research, condoms do not prevent transmission of sexual transmitted disease. There is no scientific evidence that condoms prevent the transmission of most sexually transmitted diseases. What research shows? Condoms break or slip off 2 to 4% of the time. Contraceptive technology. Yearly condom failure rates leads to 1 pregnancy in 5 out of 5. That this pregnancy occurs in 18.4% of teen couples using condoms. Protected sex? No. It is no longer medically accurate or legal to refer to sex with a condom as safe or protected. Bawal yan. Despite condom use, 1 in out of 4 will be infected by HIV. So hindi lang pala nabubuntis, magkakaroon din ng HIV. Leads to AIDS. Yung AIDS na ano. Okay? The bigger problem is, with a false sense of security, they inspire young people to have sex and encourage illicit, premarital, teenage, and sexual relationships. In the era of acquired immunity of Down syndrome or AIDS, sexual immorality kills. Oh, so yung HIV daw, sexual immorality kills. God's commandment, do not eat the fruit, for on the day you shall eat of it, you shall surely die. What does it mean? Today's translation, do not commit sexual immorality, for on the day you shall do it, you shall surely die because of AIDS. Former U.S. Surgeon General Cook, young people must be told the truth. The best way to avoid AIDS is to refrain from sexual activity until as the adults, they are ready to establish a mutually faithful and monogamous relationship. Solution, absolute sex. Yan yung solution dapat. Likayan o iwasan muna natin yung pakikipag-sex, pakikipagtalik habang hindi pa tayo ready. Okay? Absolute sex. Purity before marriage and fidelity within marriage. So dapat ganito yan. So Adam and Eve, pag hindi sila nag-fall, hindi sila nag-fell, individual, family, society, nation, world, and happiness on earth. Solution, purity before marriage and fidelity within marriage is saving the nation. Sige nga, sagutin mo. I think it's okay for people to have a sexual relationship with another if they feel they want it. Am I wrong? Tama ba? You're always wrong. My friend looks like more handsome, beautiful, and become more famous because he or she has 2 or more boyfriends, girlfriends. If she can do it, why can't I? Bawal yan. Okay? I lost my virginity. I'm no longer pure and I'm a bad person. Yes. My friends pushed me to drink and get along with boys. I rejected a lot, but I can't reject anymore. What should I do? Something to reflect on. Purity, virginity is the best gift to your spouse or your future spouse. The honor of sexual organ is your future spouse. Isip-isip before you unsip. Pag may alak, may balak. Huwag ipagpalit ang pinaghirapang pangarap sa pandaliang sarap. Philippines, this is Dr. Robert Kittle, the UPFH Education Director of Pure Love and the International President of Youth and Student for Peace. This one, this is a Pure Love tour in Bohol, in Marikina, in Antipolo, in Isabela. So this is chant. Pure love chanting. So when you say when life, you say one life. When you say one man, you say one wife. Make it sure, keep it pure, okay? One love, one life, one man. Make it sure, Okay, very good, very good. The pure love pledge. Okay, so please follow me, repeat after me. So let us put our left hand in our chest, uh, chest, and let us raise our right hand and do this like this. The pure love pledge, the pure relationship, and repeat after me. The pure relationship of love between a man and woman is a sacred gift from God to be cherished and honored for the sake of building a true family, a healthy society, and a world of peace for future generations. One that love is consummated, it should never be broken. Therefore, from this day forward, I commit myself to 1. Refrain from all sexual relationship before marriage. 2. Respect and honor the ideal of purity in myself and others. 3. Practice pure love as a child, friend, spouse, and parent. 4. Dedicate myself to absolute fidelity within marriage and encourage others to do the same. So help me God. So please tag our official Facebook page, WCARP Bohol, 10,000 Years Facebook page, and YSP Bohol, Philippines. So thank you so much, everyone. This is J. Allison Duidora, your lecturer for Pure Love and your Pure Love Ambassador in your 10,000 Years Governor General. 감사합니다. 사랑합니다.